Hi friends, you can see that it is raining outside, and this time everybody love to hear music, but for better quality music you will need a better earphone. So today I have with me the MI Earphones Basic. It has inbuilt mic and ultra deep bass. So let's start the unboxing. In the front we have MI logo and model name with photo. Going to sides we can see the product name. And in the back side we can see the product name, model, color and other details. Let me open the package. Okay, now we can see the earphone in a plastic package. You will get another package which include two pairs of buds in different sizes. Here we can see the mic. And this is the button. The plug seems good. Here we can see a QR code and behind that we can see MI logo. Let me open the wall wire. Okay, it is in average length. If the earbuds don't fit in your ears, you can change it. Just remove the bud and put the bud you want. The earphone seems good, it has a great build quality, it is the best budget earphone. So thanks for watching, subscribe and make sure that you have enabled the bell icon.